What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you a new video on our new arrival 1974 Gran Torino Sport. Man, what a cool car. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. First off, I got the car running. 351 under the hood. It is an original air conditioning car. Air conditioning is now disconnected. The engine bay is extremely clean, as you could see. This car was just recently restored, I believe, because, man, it is very, very clean. The interior has been redone, and it is pretty much immaculate. Except for one flaw here. That's it. The button. They're missing the little button cap. That's it. This car has a factory tack, being the sport model, which was actually pretty rare. As you can see, it works. Factory AM radio.
I want this team so badly. I've been on this.
Works. What an awesome car. Column shift, bench seat. With the armrest. Now here, I'm going to go through these papers with you guys. We have the Marti report. Just take a look at that. There's all of your information. As you can see, this was a pretty rare car. 396 with this paint, with these paint trim codes. I mean, there's all your statistics. Sold date, everything. Pretty cool, right? Sold at Town and Country Ford in Charlotte, North Carolina. Vinyl roof, breakerless ignition system, sidewall radial tires, white sidewall radial tires, power steering, power disc brakes, front and rear bumper guards, air conditioner, AM radio, rear seat speakers, tinted glass, body side molding. Now, AM radio, it's a pretty high option car. I don't know why they would have gotten AM radio, but 1974. Here's all your fabric details, all the receipts, tons of receipts for this car. Like, I mean, it's absolutely insane how many receipts. And you have your shop manuals. So your service manual, everything you need if you work on this car. Here's your 74 Ford Torino brochure. As you can see, here is all of the models they had. They had the four-door. They had the Brougham. They had the Sport, which this car is. And the Squire Station. So, I mean, pretty cool. And this pretty much tells you all the differences between all of these cars. You know, like the Brougham, as you can see, has the opera windows. Just what a cool piece. This is really cool. I'm a sucker for this old brochures and everything. It's just cool. Man, look at that. The four-door pillared hardtop. I mean, everything you got, it's here. Excuse me, guys. So, here is your wheelbase measurements. And I actually get quite a few people that ask me about how big these cars, cars in general are. Well, here is your information there. You get all that here in this brochure. I'm just going through this, just to give you a gist, because I know a lot of people watching are going to be like, if I didn't go through this, man, you should have went through that. So here's your lineup. You got the Torino, you got the Gran Torino, the Gran Torino Sport, the Gran Torino Brougham with the opera window, which is straight up 70s luxury, and the Wagon Master, the Squire, or whatever you want to call it, which personally, you don't see many of these Torinos around. And I believe this was the same car, very similar to the car featured in the TV show and movie, later obviously redone movie, Starsky and Hutch. So here's your manual there, blah, 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 your wiring schematic, everything you need to know. Electrical, I mean, it's all there. So this car is pretty much ready to be worked on, but it doesn't need anything. The body on this car is extremely straight. The paint is really, really nice. The vinyl top is in great shape. As you can see, the bumper fillers are in good shape as well, which is something that you normally don't find. They all crack, they all disintegrate, and these are still there, which that proves that this car has always been taken care of. You pop the trunk. Now, this car, it does come with quite a bit spare parts. You got your sill plates. Looks like a charcoal canister of some sorts. Battery strap, you know, little stuff. Bumper guards. Some extra weather stripping. Looks like an AC line. Just some, you know, random stuff the car comes with. It comes with quite, like I said, quite a bit of spare parts, air conditioning lines. So, you know, we got a rag down in here to kind of protect it all, but the floor on this car is immaculate. Very nice. Like I said, an outstanding car, extremely clean. Here's your jack usage and stowage stickers on there. Trunk closes beautifully. No problem. Lines up great. And, you know, believe it or not, this car is like I said, it's a really nice car. And this car, we have it priced pretty reasonable. Very good price if you want to get into a classic car. If you want something that runs and drives, you could drive to California with no problem whatsoever. This is the car. Great car, great price. You're going to love it. Cool 70s, a Malaise era, start of the Malaise era muscle. Like I said, the engine bay is extremely clean. I mean, look here. I'm showing you guys everything, but come and see it for yourself. You know the deal. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only in Addison, Illinois. That brings me to our final feature on this car that I wanted to point out, which I've already pointed out, but it is a factory air conditioning car with a factory tack, which I imagine had to be pretty rare. Like I said, air conditioning's disabled for now, but could easily be put back. Very clean car. Interiors, mint, immaculate, whatever you want to call it. This is a very nice driving car, and it drives really nice. It runs great, drives nice. Just a cool car. You don't see these every day. If you want something different that not everybody's going to have at the car show, this is what you get. And a lot of people go up to you and say, hey, Starsky and Hutch. They were pretty popular for that. So hard to find them because a lot of people want to turn them into Starsky and Hutch clones. Anyways, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope to see you here soon at MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. You know the deal. We're located in Addison, Illinois. I told you our hours. I will tell you again, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. So make sure you call ahead, 847-848-1850, or visit the website, make an appointment, and inquire. But if you are out of state, you could set up a FaceTime video with us or anything. We have shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured, open and enclosed. Mainly, we like to do enclosed for our classic cars. Excuse me, guys. So, the enclosed shipping, send your zip code to the phone number 847-848-1850. We will give you a quote directly to your door, bonded and insured. You do not have to worry about a thing. We'll do that for you, and we have special financing with great monthly payments. So, like I said, stop on by, give us a call. We're here. We got a lot of cars. This is our beautiful showroom here in Addison, Illinois, MGM Classic Cars. Around 200 cars that we own. We own them all. So stop on by. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you here soon at MGM Classic Cars checking out this Torino or any of our other outstanding vehicles. Remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but it will look a whole lot better in your garage. Mr. Jenkins out. Bye-bye.